Iluluto na to? Naluluto na?
Hindi pa.
Ay, hindi mo buksan?
Wala, hindi pa kumulo.
Kumukulo na.
Hindi pa. Maganda yung pwesto niya.
Maganda. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo ah.
Mamaya.
Ay! Tinutusok niya si Jade ah. Akin na. Andyan sa kusina. Pakain ko na nga to. Here you go! Hello, Mary Rose. Oh! Luluto si Mother. Ehan! Ay, anong gagawin doon? Lalagyan mo ng ano bato? Ng bato? Ay, ito, tingnan ko. Siniga. Ay, anong niluluto mo? Nilaga? Ay, Han, in that corner, are you gonna put grass in it? In that... Anong ilalagay mo doon? Where? Yeah.
So I threw grass seeds through here for the spring.
Oh, she doesn't want grass seed.
Here.
Yeah. Saan mo nilag...
I threw grass seeds through here.
Did you put on the...
Just here, but not in there.
Okay.
Look, grass seed, look.
Ah, grass seed lang pala dito.
It'll grow up.
Oh, okay.
There it's mud.
Okay, no, that's
But
fine.
I didn't put any grass in here.
Not on her,
See,
okay.
look. There's no
Okay.
grass seed. It stops right here.
Okay, okay.
Winalis ko nga yung...
Hey, about here, did you put...
No, it won't even grow.
Here? So what do you put here
Just
then?
let it go wild.
Anong tatanim mo dito, Mother?
Planting, I don't want anything
Lalagyan niya ng
going in
grass.
Ha?
here. Don't plant raspberries. Because what they'll do is go under, and they'll go, and you'll have raspberries all through here.
Huwag daw maglagay ng raspberry
Those
dyan.
raspberries, they make it into
How about,
nothing. It won't grow here. Look, this don't grow.
okay. Strawberry.
Strawberries, yeah, but don't get very close because they'll crawl under.
Okay. About, just put rocks like this one if you have extra rocks.
It'll be rough. It'll just be rough. I
Okay.
can throw grass seed here.
No,
Maybe
don't-
Maybe it'll